I'm a firm believer that if you're not ready, then you're not ready. For when you're ready, it's like 100% go time. So I'm just gonna share a bunch of different habits, really good habits that I used to have that I haven't been following that we're just gonna hop right back into. So my suggestion to you, if you don't have any of these habits already built in, to just do like one, wait a couple weeks. Once you got that one down, maybe then add another one. But the very first one that is super, super simple that anyone can add into their routine is drinking 1 glass of water right when they wake up in the morning, before you eat, before you drink anything. Just have a good old glass of water, wait at least 30 minutes or so, and then go ahead and eat and drink whatever you want. I also, if you're getting fancy with it, I also like to add in lemon drops. So this is Young Living essential oils. If you don't have essential oils, you can just add in like regular lemon. However, over time, I would make sure you watch your teeth because it might make them a bit sensitive with all that acid that's in there. So that's why I really like the drops. So I will add this into my water, like 1 or 2 drops, drink that, and then wait the 30 minutes before I even eat anything or drink anything. I really feel like this really helps me lose that stomach belly fat. And this really puts your body in an alkaline state. So if you're more in an acidic state, that means you're having lots of sugars, processed foods. You're gonna be more prone to illnesses and disease and stuff like that. So getting your body in a neutral state, which means you're eating healthy foods, you're drinking lots of water, adding in your lemon drops, that's really gonna help. I do have to say, be prepared, this is going to clean you out. So it's going to cleanse your body. So just be by a toilet, just so you know. Just a little tip there for you. Now that we've cleansed our body out, another thing that I like to add in is drinking my greens. So this is Organifi. You can get any greens that you want. I really like this brand. 1 scoop and good to go. You can do greens every other day. Like I don't have to do greens every day, or you can do greens a couple times a week. You don't have to do this every day. Another drink that I will incorporate in my day is Ketones. So I drink 2 of these a day. I have 1 caffeinated, 1 uncaffeinated. It helps with my sleep. It helps with my energy, my appetite suppression. Also, I have a sugar tooth, like a sweet tooth, and that helps with that as well. I'm actually incorporating a lot of liquids, which is really good because all of these have just water as the base. Another habit I want to get into is wearing my watch. So this is the Garmin Venue S2, and I typically wear it, but I haven't been wearing it as much as I would like to. The reason I want to is not like just because of the notifications it gives me, but it tells me, it gives me little reminders like, hey, move. It's time to move your body. So I am super busy. I have a lot going on in my day. So to have that little reminder of like, hey, it's time to move. I'm like, okay, yeah, let's actually do that. So I really like that for that feature. And then of course that I get to record how many calories I'm burning in my workout. And that brings me to using the MyFitnessPal app. That way I can document all that I'm eating, because there's so many times where I'm like, oh, I'll just have this little Snickers, like a mini Snickers. And then of course, 1 turns into like 12. So I don't know, is that just me? So I really like documenting, so that way I have concrete, like this is what I ate, this is how many calories I've done for this day. That just really helps me a lot. And then the last habit that I want to adopt, because I have never done it before, and I've always wanted to, but I struggle with, is journaling. So I have this. This one is just, I've created this one, it's just a plain blank journal. But I also created a gratitude journal that maybe I'll start with that one, because that one has prompts in it. And whereas I've never done this habit before and I've wanted to, but I just avoid doing it because I don't know what to write. I think I'm gonna start with the gratitude one. Yes, decided. Once I get good at it and I'm like, all right, we're good, then I'll go to a plain notebook and I can just do it from there. Because mental health is just as important as my physical health, especially with 2 boys under 2. It's been a lot. It's been a lot on my mental health. Love them. I love my children, but it's a lot. So I'm going to adopt this one. So this is the one habit that I have not accomplished before that I'm going to add into my routine. Let me know down in the comments, do you guys do any of these habits already? Are there any that you're going to incorporate into your daily routine? Let me know. I want to just give you my journey of what I'm going to be doing to help start living a better, healthier lifestyle, because I've kind of fallen down. Let me know down in the comments. Hopefully this video was helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.